Om Namah Shivaya and good morning Mzansi. Welcome to another power-packed Sadhana, the Inward Path. With all eyes on the Cricket World Cup, I chat to female cricketers Dinisha Devnarayan and Diyanka Naidu about their love for the game. We attend the Wellness Fair in Durban and look to healthier alternatives on conscious cooking. Kugan and Sadhu Rangarajan round up the episode with Yoga for Wellness and the Holy Tirukkural. The Durban Mind, Body, Spirit Wellbeing Festival brought together spiritual healing and wellness organizations from both local and abroad to the sunny shores of Durban. With a range of exhibitors from Ayurveda to laughing yoga and Vedic astrology, the fair has grown in popularity and Sadhana was there to find out more.
The festival is in collaboration of the overview or copy-paste on the international circuits of similar mind, body, spirit, well-being festivals. Similar stuff happens in the UK, similar stuff happens in Australia and New Zealand. Hence, we was very blessed this year to have the opportunity of our invited exhibitors from the UK. Our three exhibitors came to add their flavor of magic to the Durban Mind, Body, Spirit, Wellbeing. It's a festival that we allow people to come and enjoy the space of freedom in dwelling in the different aspects of spirituality.
I come from England, Birmingham. The energy of this place, it just felt right. It just felt so vibrant, and it's all about connecting with people around the world.
One of the biggest aspects of our Dharmic principles is charity. And when we learn to do charity, in giving we actually receive. So those are the kind of things the organizations are here today to put the preaching modes into action, but preach it very subtly because we preach love, love without judgment. We preach light without judgment. We preach giving as our charity without judgment. And all those things without judgment gives us a tremendous amount of receiving, and that receiving is in the blessings of how we operate our daily lives. It's so fascinating and phenomenal to see how the Western world had taken yoga, Ayurveda, and made it work in their daily lives and practice it. So it inspires the Hindu world, so it gives us the opportunity to work with them, share the knowledge. Hinduism is about sharing knowledge and learning on a daily basis.
Laughter yoga is a very unique concept where we laugh for no reason at all, and we also combine it with breathing exercises. That's where the yoga part comes from. And we actually use childlike playfulness, and what we also do is we actually have lots of eye contact and lots of movement while we're actually doing it. It can help with diabetes, with cancer, with HIV/AIDS and all those other ailments.
The same kind of spirituality is in each one of us. It's how we activate it. Yoga helps us to activate it. Practicing an inner spiritual journey helps us to activate it. Practicing the basic dharmic principles of Hinduism, truth, calmness, love, light, those are basic dharmic principles that take us to these journeys.